If you want to know how to fix Snapchat support code SS06, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to discover that Snapchat is working, but if you have this problem, you won't be able to log in because the Snapchat will say that you have like a suspicious activity or something like this. So these are three ways of how can we fix this problem. Firstly, we need to open the App Store and then just search for a Snapchat. So open the app page inside of the Google Play or App Store. Make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the upgrade option, please update the app till the latest version. So after that, close the App Store and try to open. If it doesn't work still, we need to close and go to settings. On the iPhone, it looks like this. We need to scroll down to find Snapchat inside of the menu here and then just click. And make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. So this feature should be turned on. Then we need to go back and scroll to the upside, and from this page here just simply go to general. So after that, scroll down to find iPhone storage and click on it. On the Android, you need to find the same navigation. So from this page here we can easily manage all this stuff, and if we scroll down to find the Snapchat, we'll open this page here. So after that, we need to click on upload app and then it will upload it. And after that, you need to reinstall all the data from the internet. And after that, you need to close and basically try to reopen the Snapchat. Probably your problem will be solved. And the hardest way of how can we fix it, we can just simply delete the app. So just click on remove and then just click on delete. And after that, re-upload it using App Store or Google Play. So after that, your problem will be automatically solved. So this is the only one way of how can we fix a Snapchat support code SS06. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.